Hi there, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here, and I hope everyone had a great spring break. I noticed some of you worked hard and getting caught up on stuff, and some of you are all caught up on stuff, and so hopefully you had a nice, quiet spring break. And some of you still have a lot of work to do. So, with that, let us go ahead and talk. We are in our Reconstruction, Industrialization, and Immigration Unit 4. Now, just because we're well over halfway through the semester, kind of looking to the end of the semester, end of the year, and all of that good stuff, let me just take a minute to invite you to not only look through your grade book, but also go back through these folders. Start here, Unit 3, the Civil War, those things, and the last 4 weeks as we've been in this Unit 4, Reconstruction, Industrialization, and Immigration. Now, we've talked a little bit about immigration before, but this week we're really going, that's what it's all about, and it's called They're Coming to America, if any of you know the Neil Diamond song. So, of course, you have your strongly suggested schedule. As always, the schedule is my suggestion to you is Monday through Friday. Get everything done Monday through Friday, and then you can have the weekend off. So that's what the suggested schedule does. Of course, it does start with the weekly quiz to take as a pretest on Monday, and I've moved it up here to the beginning as well. As you open up week 11, you'll see that I've moved the quiz up here to the beginning just after the announcements page. We do have a couple other assignments as well. So let me just kind of guide you through this a little bit. Vocabulary is not an assignment, but it's an important vocabulary that you should be using on your discussion board. We have a discussion board here, Immigrants in America, Then and Now, kind of comparing immigration. And then we actually have 2 quizzes this week. Your regular weekly quiz, which you should take Monday as a pretest, and then later in the week you'll take it for 100% after you've gone through everything. Day 3, I want to show you. So those of you coming on campus, we will have some more testing going on, and also this day 3, charting it out, you'll be looking at these charts of demography, the demographics of the United States and immigration throughout its history, and then you'll take a short quiz over it. This is not the regular weekly quiz. You'll have 2 attempts on it, so you can go through and see what the questions are and use the charts. But you only have 2 chances on it, and you can just do it all on one day, all of this. Day 4, you're going to start looking at this assignment. It's actually posted here in day 5. It's called the Chinese Exclusion Assignment, but you'll start going over it. It's here in the day 4 folder. So, and there are some videos. You have some choices here. You can do an essay, you can do a video, you can do a PowerPoint, some kind of presentation. But that's all gone over. So there's a couple of pages of directions here. There are 2 different videos on exactly how to do this, also on thesis statements and all of that. And then, of course, I'll move the weekly quiz here to day 5, and so that everyone can take that for 100% when it opens up again. All right. So that's the week. Again, strongly suggest that you take a little bit of time just to go back over some of the stuff we've done and the syllabus and tips, tricks, and hints and technology and all that good stuff up here in the Start Here folder as we get going. All right, I'll see some of you on Wednesday. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Happy to answer any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.